I just find a new Telegram way which you can be making massive money for yourself every day just by doing some simple tasks with this Telegram bot. And when you are doing this simple task, you are going to be making some massive money for yourself every day, and this money you can withdraw it direct to your local bank account. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step and how you can start making money with this new Telegram bot, which I'll be showing you right now in this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can now use Telegram and be making massive money for yourself. So meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make massive money for yourself every blessed day with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let me go and show you how you can use this new Telegram bot and be making massive money for yourself every blessed day. Let me take you guys to my phone screen. Now, to get started, head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link there. The first link, when you click on the link, it will bring you to an interface like this. And it brings you to an interface like this. The first thing you are going to do is you click on get started, and when you click on get started, it will bring you to an interface like this. Then you click on OK, or you can just click on get started, anything. Now, when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where it's going to show you visit site, join channels, join bots, more. You are going to see your balance and referral and information, and we are here to make money. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on visit site. Here it's going to bring you to an interface like this, and when you click on open link, it's going to take you to a website where you can visit the website and you are going to earn money. When you click on join channels, here it's also going to bring you to where you are going to join channel. As you can see, join channel, and you also make money. Now let's click on join channel, and you are going to see now you are going to click on join, and after you click on join, you go back here, and when you look at your balance here, you click on balance, you are going to see your balance. As you can see, now this is our balance. Now let's go back. In a minute we should come back to our balance again, and you are going to see our balance is going to be increased. Now you can also join bot here. When you click on join bot, you are going to see different type of bot which you can join, and also you earn money from joining this bot. Now when you click on more here, you are going to see view post, your tweet read. You can going to see a lot of things. So this is how you are going to be using this new Telegram bot and be making money for yourself. And when you click on balance here, you are going to see your balance, the money you have made so far. So if you want to withdraw, when you click on balance, all you have to do is just to click on open wallet, and when you click on open wallet, it's going to click on open like this, and you are going to see your wallet, and you are going to see your balance. As you can see, this is your balance. So if you want to withdraw, all you just have to do is just to click on withdraw, and you are going to withdraw your money. When you click on withdraw, they are going to take you to where you are going to withdraw. If you are eligible to withdraw, now this is where you are going to put your amount, and you withdraw through BTC, and you put your BTC wallet here, and you click on confirm withdrawal, and you are going to withdraw your money. So this is how this new Telegram bot work, that you will be using it to make money for yourself. You can also earn money by click on referral here. When you click on referrals here, you are going to see your referral link here, which you can copy and also invite people. And when you invite people, you also be earning 20% of your friends earning. As you can see, you earn 20% of your friends earning. Now when you click on visit site here, it's going to take you to here where you are going to click on open link. When you click on open link, they are going to bring you to this interface layer. Click on open, you are going to open this website, and you read the website through, and you make money from it. Now this is how this website works, and to find this website, you are going to get the link in the description of this video, and you can be making money. And you can also use this website for an advert. If you want to set up your advert, all you just have to do is just to click on advert here. When you click on advert, as you can see, it's going to bring you to what would you like to promote. So you can use it also to promote anything you want to promote. You can also use it to promote. So this is how this new Telegram bot work, that a lot of people are using right now to make some little money for themselves. And note, this website is not a website that will make you rich overnight or make you millionaire overnight, be earning some little BTC from it. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.